Hey, it's Jason. So I'm here with the 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Sport, and I'm going to put a ceramic coating on this car. If you watch my last video, I bought something at Napa that you spray on the car and hose off with a light hose, like a shower. This is something I got online. Admittedly, I was targeted on Facebook, but it was intriguing and the price was fairly cheap. But this ceramic spray, you spray it on after the car is completely clean and dry, and you use a microfiber cloth to wipe it off. It does not go on like some of the other ceramic waxes that you wax on and that sort of thing. So this is just me giving another solution a shot. Now this is a much newer car than the last one, so the paint feels really good. But again, if you were to do the old, does it slide on the hood? It doesn't. But you shake it really well. And supposedly when I put the ceramic spray on and wipe it off with the microfiber cloth, I should get that really nice finish. So it comes out pretty easy. You can see it on the black section. It's white. On a white car, it's obviously kind of hard. And then with a microfiber cloth, they say just wipe it off. They claim this has more of the product that actually causes beading and that sort of thing on the car. So I'm curious. My gut tells me it's probably just some gimmick on Facebook, but I didn't think it was that big of a deal to give it a shot. So I just did this small section just as a very quick example. It does feel different, and my goodness, it's doing something, because before you definitely didn't have that effect. If you go on a side that's not done, you can see not done. Doesn't really slide. The section I just did, it comes right off. Put on the section they did. So ceramic coating should protect the paint. When it gets wet, it should bead up. I'm going to go ahead and do this car, and I'll check and see how it lasts over the next few weeks. Thanks for watching. Alright, so I finished using the Nexgen Ceramic Coating Wax, and it looks really nice, but the most important thing is it feels really good, and it's doing what you would expect in a ceramic coating. This feels, even on a 2016, so much better after the actual coating. It is definitely something I would use. It's a little more laborious to use than the other brand that I reviewed in my other video, but this is the Nexgen Ceramic Spray. You clean the car, you dry it, you shake this, you spray it on, and you wipe it off. They claim that it has more of the product to make things ceramic coating and water bead up than other stuff. So I'm pleased with it. I'm curious to see after a few storms how it holds up. And this is on a 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. So thanks for watching, and I will report back on how this does after a couple weeks.